Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Solving this chemistry problem is super fast when you focus on the data. We will find the right answer using simple stoichiometry and gas laws. The student starts by weighing a sample of metal M and measuring the volume of hydrogen gas produced. This gives us the mass of the metal and the gas volume collected. Using the ideal gas law with the measured pressure and temperature, we can calculate the exact moles of hydrogen gas. This step is crucial for connecting the gas to the metal. The balanced equation shows a 1-to-1 molar ratio. Dividing initial mass by these moles gives the molar mass, making option C correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid a rush and trust the given values to find the molar mass easily.